If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Roblox, it can be frustrating. Here is a simple guide to help you resolve this issue and speed up your matchmaking process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches. Close Roblox completely and reopen it to see if the matchmaking error persists. Step 3. Update Roblox. Ensure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or the Roblox website, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Roblox app can help fix various issues. Go to your device settings, find the Roblox app, and clear its cache and data. Then restart the app and try matchmaking again. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Roblox support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can offer further assistance to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience on Roblox. Good luck!